How to set up and use Apple Cash on your iPhone. Want to start sending and receiving money right from your iPhone? Apple Cash makes it super easy, and here's how to set it up and use it in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Now tap Apple Cash, then tap Set up Apple Cash. Follow the on-screen instructions, agree to the terms, and verify your identity if prompted. Once set up, your Apple Cash card will appear in your Wallet app. You can use it to send or receive money through iMessage by opening a conversation, tapping the Apple Pay icon, entering an amount, and hitting Send. The money you receive will automatically be stored in your Apple Cash balance. To use your Apple Cash to pay in stores or apps, just double-click the side button on your iPhone and choose Apple Cash as the payment method when using Apple Pay. You can also transfer your Apple Cash balance to your bank account by going to Wallet Apple Cash Transfer to Bank, then entering the amount and confirming your linked account. And that's it. Apple Cash is now set up and ready to use. Like and subscribe for more quick iPhone finance tutorials and Apple Wallet tips.